Well, you guys, today we're taking a look at blocking the Windows Update service via your antivirus or firewall. So you can see here, Windows Update is working perfectly fine on this system. Now, I don't advise that you turn off Windows Updates completely, but some people, like gamers, do like to disable Windows Updates. It is quite risky if you're going to completely stop Windows Updates because it means you won't receive any sort of security updates or any other feature updates or anything like that. You can just block feature updates if you want to in Group Policy Editor and inside the registry, but we're going to be taking a look at two ways to blocking it inside ESET Internet Security. Now, you can use this method to block a lot of things via the firewall that is built into the Internet Security Suite from ESET, and this is why I like it so much. So inside here, you're going to have a bunch of different tools which you can use to do a lot of good things. So let's go ahead. What we're going to do here is click on Setup here. And from here, we're going to go over to Internet Protection. Click on Internet Protection here. And on here, there's a bunch of little sliders here. But over on the right-hand side, you'll get these little cogs here. I'm going to click on one of these. And this will now open up another selection of tools which we can use. So the first one we're going to do here is we're going to come down to Tools here, which is another Tools area. So we're going to click on this. And you can see here, we do have now access to Microsoft Windows Update. Notify about Microsoft Windows system updates, and it says critical updates, and you can change this to whatever you like here. If you wanted to, you could put this to no updates, and this would also block updates here, notifications and stuff like that. It will stop it. So let me go ahead and click apply and OK here. So we'll just click OK, and this should now open up another window, which is now going to set that setting in stone. Now, there is another method we can use inside ESET, and this is a much more advanced method which does actually block all of the updates, and I'll show you how to do that in this video as well. But before we do that, let me just have a quick word from today's video sponsor, CD Key Sales. If you're looking for a cheap Windows 10 Pro or Windows 11 Pro OEM key, and you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11 Home and you want to upgrade, you can do by using CD Key Sales. I'll leave the links in the video description. Once you get to their website and create an account, use my promo code R09 and apply this to your order and get 30% discount on all of your purchases. Once you've done that, you can head over to the Activation Center and activate your version of Windows. So now we're back into ESET Internet Security here, and what I'm going to do is go back into the setup pane here and go over to the cog here, so it takes us back into the advanced setup. Now, there's loads of tools inside here, but the one we want to use this time is the web access protection. So click on this one, and you should see on the right hand side here the URL address management. Click on the plus sign here, and this will open up the web address management. From here, we can click on edit. So let's go ahead and click edit, and you can see here list of allowed addresses and list of blocked addresses. This is the ones we can block. So let's click on add list of blocked addresses here, and this will open up create a new list. From here, we can select our list type. We're going to put blocked, and now we need to give the list a name. So let's call this Windows Update. You can call it whatever you like here. So let's just give this a name so we can recognize it, Windows Update here. And you can give it a list description if you want to. And this list is going to be active. We're going to leave this as is. Notify when applied, and login severity. So what we can do is change that if we want to. But what we're going to do next is we need to add in some URLs. Now, these are the URLs that we're going to be adding in, and these will block everything to do with Windows updates. So what we're going to do is enter multiple values. And now we can paste in all of these right inside here. Once we've done this, we can separate for multiple values, and we can do this as a comma or new line. So we're going to leave this as new line, and we can now click OK. Now that's all set inside here. You can import and export lists of your own choice. And again, you can use this for other things as well. If you want to see more videos on this software, let me know in the comments section below. But now we've blocked all of these, and click OK here, and now we can click OK again. This will set this up. So let's go ahead and click OK, and we can click OK one more time, and it will go off and start to set this up for us. And you can see now it's working away. And now we can go and restart our computer. And once we restart our computer, this should be blocking Windows updates on this system. So I won't bore you with the full rebooting process. So what I'll do is I'll quickly restart the system and then we'll come back to the desktop and I'll show you what it's actually done. So let's go ahead and click on the start button, click on settings here. And from here, we can now click on check for updates and you will see an error encountered. And this is because we've blocked all of the update URLs for Microsoft. So they can't send in any updates down the pipe to this machine. Now, of course, I don't recommend everyone go and do this because obviously it means you're going to have no updates whatsoever for that machine. But if you're one of these people that don't like Windows updates for whatever reason, then that is how you can block it using ESET. Now, you can turn this on and off, and I'll go back into ESET and go to setup here. And we need to go back into our cog here, go to this area here where it says web access protection, and inside URL address management, we can now click on edit again, and you should now see our list inside here. So let me go ahead and click Windows Update, and you can see it says blocked. And if I click on this, we can list activate and turn this off and click OK here. Once we've done this, it means the list will still be there, but we've turned it off and it's now not activated. It just does its little thing here, and we can now go back to our Windows updates and it will work. So you can use this as a toggle if you wanted to block Windows 11 upgrades, and you can do it for blocking Windows updates as well. And you can toggle this on and off to when you want to update Windows if that's what you want to do. And that's how you can do that inside an antivirus program. Pretty straightforward and easy to do. ESET is a super powerful antivirus software with built-in firewall, and it's a really great option for people that are looking for an antivirus software that has great protection but doesn't take up a lot of system resources. So anyway, that is going to be about it for this video. That's basically how you can block Windows updates in Windows 11. You can do this in Windows 10 as well using this antivirus software ESET. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Quick shout out to all my YouTube members. I really do appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in the next one or see you on the Discord server for a chat. Have a great day. Bye for now.